The Allora can be used to record infrared remote control codes using the optional integrated GIWA environmental control module. This then allows the Allora to be used as a remote control device. In order to record a code into a specific key on the Allora, first press the triangle menu key. Then press the number 4 to select the IR environmental control option. Then press the number 2 to select the Learn option. Then press the key where you want to store the remote control code. When prompted to overwrite the command, press the tick to select. Now follow the instructions on screen, pointing the remote control at the small window on the front of the Allora. When prompted, type in the command name, followed by the tick. You can then either learn more codes or press X to enter the menu. Or, to send codes, it's just a question of going into the same menu and then selecting the option 4 for environmental control and then 1 for send, and then select the option you want to send, followed by the tick.